SnoGo tutorial video. Belt and leash. Wearing a safety leash is required by most resorts to prevent accidents. Begin by looping the belt and securely fastening around your waist. Next, clip the carabiner on the belt and ensure the leash is secured to the steer tube, just below the handlebars. Bike articulation. Take time to familiarize yourself and learn how the bike articulates. Chairlift. Place your feet firmly on the ground and maintain a firm grip on the handlebars at all times while loading on the chairlift. When the chairlift approaches, sit down and the chair will scoop underneath the SnoGo's chairlift hook. Always maintain 1 or 2 hands on your handlebars through the ride up. To unload off the chairlift, raise your front ski and push the bike off before it touches the ground. Put 1 foot in the binding and kick off with the other. Turning. Step 1. Single turns. Equally distribute your weight over the 3 skis. Keep your hips, knees, and ankles aligned and practice leaning on the handlebars to initiate the turn. Try a few single turns before you start to link the turns. Step 2. Linking turns. Begin by taking wide, slow turns. Keep your shoulders over the handlebars and apply enough pressure to the front ski to ensure that the front edge guides you through the turns. Remember, the more you lean, the more edge you will have. Common mistakes. A common mistake people make is leaning back and not putting enough weight over the handlebars through the turns. This causes the rear skis to slide out. If you are having this problem, try putting more weight over the handlebars and letting the front ski's edge guide you through the turn. Keep practicing and you'll be carving like a pro in no time. Stopping. Stopping is a lot like turning. You still rely on the handlebars to lean and initiate the turn, but when stopping, you will use your legs a lot more. Practice stopping on each side. Keep practicing, and pretty soon you'll be spraying your friends. Never stop learning. Now that you have the basics down, the real fun begins. Now it's time to explore and expand on your skills. Go have fun.